The journey of a solar panel begins inside a specialized factory where raw materials arrive and preparation for production starts. Large sheets of glass and aluminum components are carefully received and organized before entering the manufacturing process. The first stage of production begins as clean glass sheets move through the solar panel assembly line. Advanced industrial equipment prepares each surface with precision before the solar cells are installed. Skilled workers and precise machines work together to place photovoltaic cells that will capture solar energy. The assembled solar cells are sealed together through a controlled lamination process, creating a durable solar panel structure. Strong aluminum frames are added to protect the panels and prepare them for long-term outdoor use. Every solar panel undergoes detailed electrical testing to ensure reliable performance and quality. Before leaving the factory, each finished panel is carefully inspected for precision and manufacturing standards. After final approval, completed solar panels are packaged, stored, and prepared for distribution around the world. After passing quality checks, finished solar panels are carefully stored in the warehouse before shipment. Forklifts transport the completed panels through the facility, connecting production with global distribution. At the loading area, packaged solar panels begin their journey from the factory to customers and energy projects. The factory continues its operation as finished products leave the facility and enter the supply chain. This is how modern factories produce solar panels from beginning to end, transforming raw materials into clean energy technology. Behind the production line, technicians maintain the machines that keep the manufacturing process running smoothly. Modern production systems carefully move solar panels through each stage while workers ensure accuracy and efficiency. Protective packaging is added to keep each solar panel safe during transportation and delivery. Specialized testing teams examine samples to confirm quality, durability, and performance standards. From raw materials to finished products, the solar panel factory completes a journey built on precision and technology. Inside the development area, engineers study materials and improve the technology behind modern solar panels. Silicon wafers are carefully processed and prepared as one of the most important components of solar cell production. Precision machines create electrical pathways that allow solar cells to convert sunlight into energy. Individual solar cells are combined into larger modules through careful assembly and inspection. Across the factory floor, multiple production stages work together to transform materials into finished solar technology. Before final assembly, every component is cleaned and prepared to maintain the highest production standards. Careful inspections help identify even small imperfections before the solar panels continue through production. Protective sealing processes strengthen the panels and help them withstand outdoor conditions. Automated systems measure each panel to confirm accuracy, consistency, and manufacturing quality. After completing the final checks, the finished solar panels are ready for packaging and delivery. The final stage of production begins as completed solar panels receive protective packaging for safe transportation. Organized warehouse operations move finished panels from storage areas toward their next destination. Each shipment is carefully verified to ensure accurate delivery and complete product tracking. At the loading dock, solar panels are prepared for transport to homes, businesses, and energy projects. The manufacturing journey is complete as solar panels leave the factory and begin their role in producing clean energy. Behind the production floor, engineers monitor every stage to maintain a smooth and efficient manufacturing process. Regular maintenance keeps the factory equipment operating with accuracy and reliability. Durability testing ensures that each solar panel can perform under demanding real-world conditions. Finished products remain organized in storage areas until they are needed for distribution. From raw materials to global delivery, this is how modern factories produce solar panels from beginning to end. Modern factories also focus on recycling materials to reduce waste and improve production efficiency. Recovered materials are carefully processed and prepared for future manufacturing use. Workers help maintain a sustainable production cycle by organizing and checking reusable components. Engineers continue developing new methods to improve the performance and efficiency of solar technology. Across the factory floor, every department works together to create reliable solar panels through a precise industrial process. The manufacturing process begins with carefully prepared glass sheets that form the foundation of each solar panel. Every component is inspected to ensure only high-quality materials continue through production. Precise connections between solar cells allow the panels to capture and transfer electrical energy. Throughout the factory, conveyor systems connect each stage of the production journey. A complete solar panel factory combines skilled workers, advanced machinery, and careful quality control from start to finish. In a controlled assembly environment, solar cells are carefully positioned to create complete energy modules. Specialized equipment verifies that each panel is strongly bonded and ready for long-term operation. Electrical components are added during the finishing stage to complete the solar panel system. Final inspections confirm that every panel meets the required manufacturing standards. Once approved, finished solar panels are organized and prepared for their journey to customers worldwide. Before shipment, every solar panel is carefully protected and prepared for safe transportation. Warehouse teams coordinate movement of finished products using organized logistics systems. At the loading area, completed solar panels begin their journey toward energy projects around the world. The factory continues its daily operation as finished products leave for their final destinations. This is how modern factories produce solar panels from beginning to end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries. Aist AI.